is... Yes, this is it.
Yep, that's it.
The only one who has the bike.
The only one that's a bike trail. Hello. I am fine. How are you doing today? There's quite a few people here.
I am ready to go.
So we're going on another bike ride at Red Top Mountain's Iron Hill Trail.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna.
So do you want to do it again? You're done? All right, good exercise today on the Iron Hill Trail at Red Top Mountain. Well, everyone, we're returning from the Iron Creek Trail at Lake Allatoona, and it's a loop, about 3.5 miles. You want to do it again? You want to go again? We got plenty of daylight. Andrew, you want to do it again? You do. Anyway, it's a bike trail represented by this blue line right here that goes around a portion of Altoona Lake, the Iron Hill Trail. And it's got a little bit of ups and downs. It got bridges, And there's a few trees across the trail, so you have to stop and go around or over them, but that's probably just because the tropical storm just went through here. Anyway, we had fun. Hope you enjoyed the video.